Welcome back to Carverse. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a seamless blend of Scandinavian design, advanced technology, and sustainable performance, crafted for travelers who demand both comfort and responsibility on the road. From the exterior, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome presents a clean, modern, and aerodynamic silhouette. The front grille carries Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, giving it a distinct and elegant presence. The body panels are made from lightweight aluminum and recycled composite materials, reducing weight while enhancing durability. The two-tone paint options, along with subtle chrome accents, give it a premium yet understated look. True to Volvo's design philosophy, large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, flooding the interior with natural light and connecting you to the landscapes around you. Step inside, and you're immediately met with Volvo's hallmark minimalism and luxury. The cabin features sustainably sourced wood trims, vegan leather upholstery, and a soft, calming color palette. The main living area is designed for maximum comfort, with adjustable lounge seating, a retractable dining table, and an integrated 55-inch smart TV paired with a Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system. The kitchen is compact but highly functional, featuring an induction cooktop, energy-efficient fridge, convection oven, and ample storage space. Every element is designed with efficiency and ergonomics in mind. The bathroom follows a spa-like approach, offering a rainfall shower, heated towel racks, and anti-fog mirrors, creating a relaxing retreat after a long day on the road. Technologically, the 26 Volvo Motorhome comes equipped with Volvo's advanced infotainment system, powered by Google integration, allowing seamless voice commands for navigation, entertainment, and smart home-style controls. The climate control system adapts automatically to the weather outside, maintaining a comfortable environment year-round. Performance-wise, Volvo offers this motorhome with a fully electric drivetrain producing 500 horsepower, paired with a dual-motor AWD system for confident handling in all conditions. It boasts a range of around 400 miles on a single charge, with rapid charging capabilities to get you back on the road quickly. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride over any terrain, while Volvo's world-class safety systems, including pilot assist, 360-degree cameras, and collision avoidance, provide unmatched peace of mind. Pricing for the 2026 Volvo Motorhome starts at around $380,000, making it a high-end yet accessible choice for luxury travelers. It's a perfect balance of elegance, eco-conscious engineering, and Volvo's dedication to safety, all wrapped into a motorhome built for the modern adventurer.